For this video, we are comparing ManyChat and LinkedIn. Now, these two aren't direct competitors, but both can be essential for growing your business. So, ManyChat focuses on automated messaging for social media, while LinkedIn is a powerful platform for professional networking and organic outreach. So just stick around to see which fits your goals best. And remember, you can sign up for a free ManyChat account with the link down below. So let's start by looking at what each platform offers. So now, ManyChat is designed for building chatbots on Messenger, Instagram, and also WhatsApp. It is known for automating conversations and also engaging leads. Now, on the other hand, LinkedIn is a networking platform built for professional jobs or professional connections, job searching, and also B2B marketing. So it is great for organic reach and personal engagement with decision makers. While ManyChat focuses on automated messaging, LinkedIn is all about building personal connections in the professional world. So here's how it is easy to start using each platform. So for ManyChat, you just need to simply drag and drop chatbot builder even for beginners. So just hit this plus button right here and again just drag and drop any conditional or content that you want to add into your automation. So the quick set or it has a quick setup for automating customer interactions. Now for LinkedIn, it is easy to create a profile and start connecting, but building an engaged network takes time and manual approach to messaging, though some automation tools may exist for LinkedIn. So if you're looking for a quick automation, ManyChat's chatbot builder is straightforward and LinkedIn's setup is simple, but building connections requires consistent effort. Let's compare each platform or how each platform helps you engage with your audience. Now, for ManyChat, it is great for automating responses, collecting leads, and engaging on your social media. So, for as an example, I have this a basic automation that I have set up using a template here in ManyChat. So, the first one right here, which is the trigger. So it says right here, user comments on your post and reel. Then ManyChat will then send a message to that engagement with this message right here. So it supports engagement on Messenger also, Instagram, and SMS. So it is ideal for e-commerce and customer service. For LinkedIn, it allows personalized outreach and networking in a professional setting. So it is good for organic one-on-one connections with industry professionals, potential clients, and also partners. So you just need to go into the job posting page and then just pick a lead or a job posting that relates to you. So ManyChat helps automate engagement across multiple social platforms, while LinkedIn enables targeted personal connections with professionals. And now let's break down the pros and cons of each platform. So for the pros of ManyChat, it has a fast setup and it is easy to use automation, or it has an easy to use automation. It is also affordable with options for small businesses and works well for direct engagement with customers. Now for the cons of it, it is not built for B2B networking and it has limited reach beyond social messaging apps. Now, for the LinkedIn, it has a powerful B2B networking and professional branding. So, it is great for organic reach and personal connections. So, it is ideal for industries needing targeted professional leads. And for the cons of it, it is time intensive to grow a network and it has limited automation options and manual messaging. So if you're focused on automating social media managing, ManyChat is the ideal choice. And for those in B2B looking to build professional connections, LinkedIn offers unmatched networking opportunities. So now don't forget that you can try ManyChat for free with the link below to see if it fits your needs. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.